Minnie's Handbags here, and welcome. Today guys, I am going to be doing a Michael Kors unboxing for you guys. Now this is from their most recent fall drop, and I believe I mentioned this bag in my Michael Kors What's Hot episode as well too, guys. And this particular bag I definitely want it in my collection because it has a lot of texture to the bag. And I love how Michael Kors mixed up the different materials when it came to creating this bag. So I am super excited to share the unboxing and the bag reveal with you. So if you guys want to see the bag that I picked up from Michael Kors outlet, then please make sure to stay tuned. Hey everyone, if you guys are new here or if you are a returning viewer but you have not yet clicked that subscribe button, please go ahead and consider subscribing because it lets me know you enjoy my content and it also helps my channel to grow. And if you guys are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for taking the time to tune into another unboxing. And I want to say welcome to all of my recently new subscribers. I truly appreciate all of you guys subscribing and tuning into my videos, guys. Now, as I mentioned earlier, I do have a Michael Kors outlet unboxing to share with you guys. This is from their fall collection drop. So I'm going to go ahead and throw the unboxing in so that we can go ahead and take a closer look at this beautiful bag. Alright guys, so as you saw from the unboxing, this is the bag that I picked up, and I will share the label with you. This is the Mirella Tote in the color Peanut. Now I don't have this particular shade of natural or neutral color in my collection, and I am loving this color from Michael Kors, y'all. So let's go ahead and unbag her. This is all factory wrapped. So here she is, y'all. She is absolutely gorgeous. Y'all, I am loving this. This is so beautiful. Now, this bag is suede, and I believe the side is in their Sherpa, I believe is how you say it. And it's also in leather as well too. So let me go ahead and finish taking all the wrapping off because I am definitely keeping her. I was able to check this bag out in person in the Michael Kors store when I went in there for my little walkthrough. And so I knew I wanted this bag, so I did end up ordering it online. And I'm really glad that I did. Now, I did have this bag in my collection for probably a month now. I don't remember the exact date that I bought it, but I will look it up and throw the date on the screen for when I bought it so you guys will know about how long I had this bag so far. Today is November the 4th. It is Tuesday, so you know that'll kind of give you an idea about how long I've had the bag. But this bag is absolutely gorgeous. I'm so here for it. I love all the texture. So of course the front of the bag and the back of the bag, here are the sides, are all in suede. And then you have your shearling here on the side, which I absolutely love. So that is the bumpers, or the piping around the bag, I should say, is in that beautiful shearling. And then the bottom of the bag, as well as the top handles and the Michael Kors tag, is all leather. So let me pull that so you guys can see the Michael Kors hang tag. So there goes the MK. All the hardware on this bag is in gold. And if you're familiar with the Mirella tote, it does have a D-ring, as you guys can see right here on this side. And then the other one is on this side of the bag. So you do get that crisscross with the crossbody. I don't really care for that. I like my D-rings to be on the sides of the bag. The Mirella is not set up that way. I do already have another Mirella in my collection. Both of them are in the size medium. So this one, as well as the raspberry, is in a size medium. This bag is absolutely beautiful. It puts me in the mind of the Marc Jacobs tote bag, my Guess tote bag, and my Dempsey from Coach. So I definitely love this silhouette when it comes to a tote bag. I like that boxy look. Absolutely gorgeous, and it allows for you to hold so much. So let's take a peek in the interior of the bag, guys. Alright, so like I mentioned earlier, this does come with a crossbody. So here is the crossbody, and it is in that web material so that you guys can see it. Still in that peanut color as well. Absolutely gorgeous. And it is adjustable hair. It does have the gold hardware on both ends, so it does have the leather tabs on here as well too. And I'll just connect it to the bag so that you guys can see what that looks like. Now, let me know while I'm doing this in the comments, guys, if anyone has picked up the Mirella tote in your collection. I know that they have it in the medium, and I believe they have it in the small as well too. And I do have a small one already in my collection in the color jungle green. So I actually have a total of 3 altogether, 2 medium and 1 small. I love all 3 of them. I have yet to carry the raspberry. I may carry it this winter because the color does fit for the winter as well too, so I may carry it for this winter, or I may leave it for the summertime. We will see. But this bag I'm definitely going to be carrying. Now I will throw the measurements up on the screen as well too, so you guys can see how large this bag actually is. But we're going to go ahead and take a peek in the interior of this bag. So as you can see, it does have a back zipper compartment. So you do get some storage in the bag, but you don't have any front slip pockets on this bag at all. Now the interior is very roomy in the inside. You do have that Michael Kors light tan lining. So when you open this bag up, you can definitely see inside the bag, and you'll be able to see all of your items as well. Here is the tag for the bag as well too, so that you guys can see that. So let me show you guys the tag. If I can pull it out. So that is the tag for the bag, and it is the medium Mirella in the color peanut, and it does say leather, but like I said, the leather is just the top handles and the bottom. The rest of the bag is suede and shearling on the side. It is absolutely gorgeous. Now I may have to end up treating the shearling as well as the suede, just to make sure I don't get any water stains or anything like that on the bag. Alright guys, so before I close this video out, I want to go ahead and share with you guys how I treat my suede bags. I do have here my Michael Kors Protect spray that I picked up from Michael Kors. As you guys can see, I've already used this on several of my suede bags, on my Dooney and Burke green satchel here. I've used it on this one. I've also used it on my Kate Spade, my Nolita Suede, Nubuck Suede from Michael Kors, as well as my suede bag that I picked up from Banana Republic. So all those bags so far has already been treated, including my Coach large Rowan has been treated with this protectant spray. Now, I'm just going to show you guys really quickly how I do this. I do have my brush here. And because this is a medium-sized bag, I'm just going to brush off any, lint, dust, anything like that that may have fallen on the bag, so that you guys can see just a once or twice over. Do the same thing on the back. And on the other side. All right. And now that I have done that, this is a spray, and it needs to be at least 6 inches away from the bag and in a back and forth motion so that you guys can see. Hopefully you guys can see that while I do it, but just back and forth a couple of times. All right, so that's the back. Let me go ahead and do the side so that you guys can see. All right, let's do the other side. And remember to try to keep it 6 inches away. And then on the front, and you can spray the leather with this as well too. It's not going to damage the leather. And I'll just spray a little bit down on the handles and on the bottom. All right, and that's all I do. And then I'll just let this hang and dry for 24 hours, and then after that it is good to go. Now normally after it's completely dried, I will take my brush and just brush back over the bag once it's already completely dry. And like I said, I normally wait 24 hours before I do that, just to make sure the bag is completely dry, guys. And after that, I don't have any issues with my suede bags after I've already sprayed it. But this Mirella tote is absolutely gorgeous, y'all. And like I said earlier in the video, I love how Michael Kors mix the different textures and materials with this bag. And I am so excited to see what some of our other favorite brands are going to be dropping for us the next few months as well too. So if you guys have stuck with me this far, please make sure to go ahead and like this video and subscribe if you're not already, guys. And also make sure to leave a nice comment down below. I will make sure to leave in the description box all the details for this beautiful bag, including the pricing and the measurements as well too. If this bag is still available, guys, I will make sure to link it if it's available in both sizes. Now I didn't mention earlier, but this does come in the black as well as a beautiful olive color as well too. And I'm not gonna lie, I had a hard time deciding between this beautiful peanut and the olive, because I was extremely close to picking up the olive one. Now I don't know if I'm gonna pick up the olive or not. We will see, because I do have my eye on another bag from Michael Kors that I really want. So I may not end up picking up the olive just because I'm eyeing this other bag, guys. But who knows? We'll see, because you just never know in the handbag world. When you see something you like, you gotta get it. So we shall see, guys. But please make sure to share this video as well too, and click that bell, guys. That way you're always notified every time I upload some new content. And until the next time, guys, please make sure to stay focused and determined on achieving your goals for the day. And I will see you lovelies in my next video. Bye.